Cheese!
We're recording.
So I joined because I thought it would be a really fantastic opportunity to learn.
Why am I doing this?
Both because I think I have something to contribute with, and yeah, it's just a great opportunity, a way to learn new people to know as well.
I was recruited to be part of the documentation course.
Well, I didn't really join it because it was my idea to create it. So
I really wanted to improve this experience for our community members, and that's what we're hopefully doing these past few months.
I learn a lot. If you are busy with what you do every day, you get better at it.
It's helped me reach out to the community even better. I know more people in the community. I can see how the community is and the love for Umbraco from the community.
I see a lot of things I didn't know existed in Umbraco. I also see what's coming in, so I think, hey, that's a nice feature that I can use in my next project. So there are a lot of hidden gems in there.
Yeah, I don't know, it's fun. It's nice to have people come up to you and tell you that the documentation has improved, or people tweet about it or stuff like that. That's amazing. That's a good pat on the shoulder.
Oktoberfest for sure. It's lovely to see so many new people contributing, and also, not to say old people, but familiar people. Yeah, so October was just really active.
We joined Oktoberfest for the first time, and that was so much fun. It was so much work as well.
The Oktoberfest that we got flooded with PRs, we were inundated with PRs left, right and center.
The biggest highlight is probably getting out the multi-version documentation. That was awesome.
So my biggest highlight was probably my first pull request that I approved for a first-time contributor. Having been a first-time contributor myself last year, being involved in that process for somebody else was super exciting.
Yeah.
Having, I still remember everything about it, and somebody called Stefan, and I was the one to comment, to thank him for it being there, to test that it worked, to code review, approve, and then Sebastian said, yes, this has been merged, you have your shiny new contributor badge. And he thanked me, he thanked Sebastian, and I kept a screenshot of it to say, this was my first pull request.
Yeah, I think it was the first release after Code Garden. I think it was 7.11, which was made entirely out of community pull requests, which were all reviewed by the team as well. So it was really nice to see you have a new release of Umbraco going out, which was actually a community effort.
So the highlight for me, I think, was that September London meetup. Somebody I'd never met before, first time at a meetup, very recently started using Umbraco, just randomly said how amazing the Umbraco documentation was, and that was a pretty big win, because nobody's ever said that before.
One of the main parts for me in the future is to be more collaborative with the PR team, getting more in sync and making documentation for new features and bug fixes, and making sure the documentation is aligning with the CMS, so it makes sense, so you can actually find documentation about the new stuff being put into.
Helping out basically. I just see this team growing as much as the product is growing.
Yeah, I hope we will get to 0 open pull requests. That's long-term thinking, because since we started, the number of incoming pull requests has grown.
Future plans. This is a good one.
In the future, we will be slicker. We are getting to a point of formalizing the processes that we've created organically. So 6 months from now, I see us being just as productive, but even more well-oiled.
Future plans for me are more having the search, working in a good, responsive, expecting good results from the search.
Of course, the future, as Dave said it, we should get to 0 pull requests open at some point. So that's something to look forward to as well.
The main thing and what got me started was helping yourself. If there's something you feel is missing, then document it as you go and then make a PR.
Do it now. You learn a lot from it. do it now, you learn a lot from it. Of it? Is that English?
If you create your own pull request, there are people to help you. So yeah, it's not as scary as you think.
So don't start with a big feature, start with something easy. Attend as many hackathons as you can, because that massively changes your attitude to pull requests and open source software.
Do it now, you'll learn a lot from it.
So rewarding to go in, find the bug, fix the bug, have it committed to the Umbraco source code. Your name will be in the source code forever, so that's cool, super cool.
And you make the product you work with every day better, so you can shape it a little bit like you want. If you say there's a feature missing, create an issue, start a discussion, create a PR. Reporting issues is contributing. So, and it's most important, if we don't know about the bugs, they don't get fixed.
Because it makes you happier, and it makes us happy, and then everyone will be happy, and the friendly CMS will be an even happier place.
A better product with better documentation makes what you do better, and why wouldn't you want to be a part of that?
That's why. And it's fun.